Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a look at the Aston Martin Vantage V8. Starting with the front, notice the sleek LED headlights, designed to slice through the darkness with precision. The distinctive daytime running lights add a touch of sophistication. Moving down, check out the aggressive front splitter. It's not just for show, it helps to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Now let's talk about the iconic Aston Martin grille. The classic shape is unmistakable and the mesh pattern gives a sporty edge. Overall, the front of the Vantage V8 is a masterclass in design. It's a perfect blend of aggression, sophistication, and pure Aston Martin DNA. The proportions are spot on, and it's clear this car is built for performance. The car rides on 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, wrapped around high-performance Pirelli tires. You can feel the heat from here. V8 needs to breathe. Check the interior. Yeah, that Kruze Club play fits so good. It belongs under my ass. Look at that. Though they're a bit too small, but I guess they do the job. A lot of air on this car. Look at this diffuser. And it's functional as well. Goes all the way down. Keeps you down as well. I really like this rear end. I think it's a bit uniform on the Astons right now because the DBX kind of looks like this as well, with the ducktail spoiler. Yeah, looks nice. Aston Martin. Well, this got a V8. I think this is the same one that shares the V8 in the C63. Yeah, so at least you know you're guaranteed all the performance you need. Should have an AMG badge on the side. But yeah, call it that. Aston Martin. Live to you from Kruze Club. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.